One of the major benefits of using Telagus for email marketing is the authority to send that email. Our technology is really based on not just sending singular emails, it's based on sending bulk emails. So a business may want to send a certain amount of emails each month or each day. Our technology is authorized to send those emails in bulk. We have a lovely design platform so you can make beautiful looking emails, and you can also look at the stats on who opens those emails, and obviously the facility to send funnels of emails. From the perspective of GDPR, we are really responsible with sending out emails. We do have technology that identifies any undeliverable emails into the platform, so these get flagged up to the user and for them to delete. We also have obviously the unsubscribe button clearly marked within our email chains, and the user obviously and the person receiving can be responsible about where they got the data from. GDPR is taken into consideration. Emails being delivered into junk is more about the authority of that email. So if we spot that a user is not being very responsible sending emails to deliverable email addresses, then we're going to flag that up and possibly even ban their account. What we're hoping to achieve is to get a really good email reputational score from our accounts. But again, some people have bought lists that they believe are deliverable and they're not always. So, we will flag that up inside the platform. To build your first email campaign in Telagus will take you at least 5 minutes. So that's extremely fast. I mean, it's very, very intuitive. Telagus gives you a full perspective on your emails and the deliverables and whether people have opened them. It can then be segmented off for you to build further emails. You may want to send a chain of emails to people that haven't opened yet, and you may want to send a different email to people that have opened. So inside the reporting, you can choose what you want to do. Inside that, we don't want to dictate what people do with that, but we'll leave it down to the flexibility of Telagus for people to choose how they handle it.